Events celebrating the arrival of 2025 have been taking place all across Hong Kong, attracting revelers from home and abroad. This as more than 400,000 people gathered around Victoria Harbour to watch the New Year's fireworks display. Timothy Lee tells us more.
Spectacular fireworks at Victoria Harbour ushered in the new year. The fireworks musical, themed The Symphony of Happiness, included 5 scenes featuring the 5 elements of Chinese philosophy: fire, earth, wood, water, and metal. The first scene, named Fire Dance, consisted of red fireworks symbolizing fiery passion for life and dreams. Another scene with the name of Light of the Future presents rainbow-colored smoke against silver fireworks, symbolizing an auspicious spirit. Some visitors describe their experience at the Harborside show. This tourist from Shenzhen said the final scene of fireworks filling up the sky was stunning and appreciated the beauty of the show. While this mainland visitor hopes 2025 will be a better year and wished everyone happiness and wealth. Chief Executive John Lee, who officiated at the countdown event, wished for residents' dreams to come true and better business for various sectors in the city. Bidding 2024 farewell, many residents chose to celebrate in the New Year's Eve hotspot of Lan Kwai Fong. With music blasted from speakers mixed with firecrackers, the occasion matched the festive spirit at Victoria Harbour. In Causeway Bay, the noonday gun followed tradition by firing a shot at midnight to welcome the new year. On Lantau Island, a giant bell was rung 3 times at the Big Buddha upon the arrival of 2025, with each ring symbolizing health, fulfillment, and longevity. Revelers were also treated to a drone show above the Buddhist monastery, which featured icons of joy and fortune. Meanwhile, a total of 156,000 visitors entered Hong Kong on New Year's Eve, of which 77% were mainland tourists. With 25,000 departing the city via the border past midnight, authorities said that the overall process ran smoothly. The government noted it will assess the situation and consider whether further border crossing extensions will be needed in future. Timothy Lee, TVB News.